it's still covered.
Well, when life gives you lemons. Welcome to the shop, boys.
Santa came. These are my new headlights. I'm gonna explain to you exactly why I had to buy new headlights. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, I hit a guardrail in a snowstorm, going about 10 miles an hour. It really didn't do too much damage. Then a week later, I proceeded to get into an accident on the highway. Here's the fender and the headlight. As you can see, it ain't that pretty. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. So I replaced it with my Outback fenders, actually legacy fenders, from the same legacy I bought the doors off of when I put the new doors on the Outback. And then that headlight is Ophelia's headlight, or I'm sorry, this headlight is Oscar's headlight. So kind of a mutant right now, but the new headlights are here. So that's kind of the reason why I need these new headlights. So we're gonna unbox them. We're gonna see what they look like and maybe install them. I do need brand new fenders though, which I can always just do a few Google searches. And then once we look for fenders, right? Once we look for fenders, once we look for fenders, we'll be set to go. Also, I got this new neon Milwaukee light that my girlfriend got me. I'm gonna go hang it up. Pretty sick. Are we good? Are we in there? Yeah, there we go. Oh, welcome to the cozy corner of the garage. This is where we talk shop. So once we get those headlights installed, well, we still need to find fenders. I was on Facebook Marketplace looking for fenders. I found this one guy parting out a Legacy, same color. So I'm like, hey, how much for the fenders? Guy goes $130 each. $130? I told him, are they infused with gold? You got gold in those fenders? Maybe I'll pay $130 for the pair. Not $130 per, you're out of your mind. Thank you for joining the Cozy Corner. So look, if I'm gonna be paying upwards of $30 or $130 a fender, like, how? If I'm paying $130 a fender, that's a problem. So we need to hunt these down, and we will. $40 each. I think I can find a pair for $80. I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, before we go unboxing these, I am feeling a little quick check pick me up, midday pick me up. Cue the quick check highlight montage. I don't think people talk about how scary it is to fly your drone while you're driving, especially if you're not like tagging the right object and it starts just following something else, especially when you're driving. That's hilarious. We got it back though. We're good. Got the drugs. Now time for the entree. We got the goods. Let's go. Nice. Time to unbox these finally. There we go. Yeah, boy. Aha, we gotta pop them. We're fine. No one's dead. Yeah. Cardboard piece 1. Here she is, boys. Woo! Come on now. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is going to look absolutely phenomenal on the Legacy. I don't want to peel this off yet. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Well, we have the headlights. Well, let me just take them out of the box entirely. Oh, so that's headlight 1. Bang. Look at that. Headlight number 1. Phenomenal. For the right side. So we got to put a bulb in there. Lock that puppy up. I already opened up this one. Come on, I had to. It was Christmas. Bam. And bam. Maybe get a thumbnail. Whoa. Maybe that's the thumbnail. We got bug eyes. Not really bug eyes. Sweet. I'm very happy about this. So, now that we have this, how much this fender is actually going to cost me? Because looking at, with pricing on fenders right now, it's absolutely ridiculous. I did find a black fender for $125. It seems like these fenders are so expensive. But that's just me ranting. I gotta stop complaining. A brand new fender I found, calling a Auto Savage place. They want $300. I mean, it's a practically brand new fender on a clean body. Has the fender lining in it, so it is practically brand new. $300, I don't know if I want to spend that. Yet, for $200, I just get the fender, not primed, and the paint's pretty cheap. And it's cheaper than the $300 that I would get. But will it look the same? That's the issue. Or is it really that big of an issue? A lot of questions, a lot of things to be answered. But we gotta find that fender. It's the biggest thing. Well, our next step will be to decide whether or not we should go with a prime fender and paint it, or just get the fender as is. That'll be a decision for another video. We got the headlights, so we're good on that. In the next video, hopefully I'll have the fender, and we'll start putting everything on, making the Legacy look better. We got other projects in the works. Parts are ordered for the SHO, and I am in contact with somebody about an ECU for the Outback. So we're going to be getting a lot of it together. Thank you guys for watching. Hit subscribe, hit a notification bell, comment down below, or you don't have to. Yeah, I'm going to go home. It's cold. Peace.